So hello and welcome to all. Myself Priyanka Jinaya and I am a member of Group 7. So today we are officially jumping on to the fourth module of our subject, and the first topic is Introduction to Embedded Systems. So there are three major subtopics in it. What is embedded systems, the evolution of embedded system and its applications. So first moving on to what is embedded systems. So an embedded system is a microprocessor based computer hardware system with software that is designed to perform a dedicated function either as an independent system or as a part of larger system. So embedded system is actually a combination of hardware and software which is being designed to perform a specific task. So at the core is an integrated circuit designed to carry out computation for real-time operations. So actually this embedded system is subjected to time constraints, that is it has to perform a specific task within a limited time frame. The complexity of an embedded system varies significantly depending on the task for which it is designed. So in simple terms, it is a combination of software and hardware which is designed to perform a particular task, and that task has to be completed in a given time. Okay, for example, if I take myself as an embedded system, what are my hardwares? My organs are my hardwares, like my hands, my mouth, my eyes and all. And my brain is my software, which is so programmed in such a way that today I am taking a section on embedded system, and that too in a limited time frame. So this is what exactly happens in embedded systems. There, the software used in the embedded system is the set of instructions which we normally call program, and the microprocessors or the microcontrollers which is being used in the hardware circuits of the embedded system are programmed to perform a specific task by following some set of instructions. So I hope that it is clear now. So now we will see some features. An embedded system has some certain specialities when compared to a normal computer. So the embedded systems are dedicated to special tasks. So if you take our computer itself, it performs various tasks. Like if you want to see a movie, we can see it. We can play video games. We can open a file and all. But embedded systems are dedicated to perform a special task, and it has real time constraints. That is, it has to do that task within a time frame. If an embedded system uses an operating system, it is most likely using a real-time operating system. This is because the embedded system has been subjected to time constraints. That's why it is using a real-time operating system. In computers and all, we are using general-purpose operating system. So moving on to the evolution. Have you ever wondered how the remarkable development of the embedded industry has made our life so simpler and easier? So before making of this slide, I also never wondered about such things, and I think it is high time that we should wonder about such topics. So it was all due to the development of semiconductor technology. Because if semiconductor wasn't discovered, we wouldn't have got microprocessors and microcontrollers, and if those two weren't there, we wouldn't have reached up to embedded systems. So all thanks to semiconductor technology. So now we will see over the years how this embedded system has evolved. So in 1944, the world's first programmable electronic digital computer was developed, and it was named Colossal Mark I and Mark II computers. So these computers were actually designed and was used by the British code breakers to read the encrypted German messages during the Second World War. In 1960s, a most crucial NASA's lunar mission program called Apollo Space Program, Apollo Guidance Computer was started. So it was developed by Charles Stark Draper, and it was the first computer to use an integrated circuit. It is being said that it is the major breakthrough in the history of embedded systems. In 1961, a crucial military project was initiated known as Minuteman I, and it was the first embedded system to be produced in large quantities. In 1965, the first computer embedded in a commercial instrument was launched. In 1966, Minuteman Missile 2 was launched, and it was actually lightweight as compared to Minuteman I, and it had a high volume of integrated circuits in it. In 1968, Intel was founded by Robert Noyce and Gordon Moore It led to the evolution of microprocessors and microcontrollers. In 1969, a microprocessor-based fuel injection system was introduced in the Volkswagen car and was a breakthrough through the field of embedded systems. So finally, not finally, in 1971, first 4-bit microprocessor was developed by Intel, that is 4004. We have actually seen it before also when Sir discussed about the evolution of microprocessors. And in that same year, TMS 1000 was introduced, which is one of the most successful 4-bit microcontroller, which was developed by the Texas Instruments. In 1974, Intel 8080 was developed and it was the first microprocessor to be used in PC. In 1980s, microcontroller became the demanded technology. In 1987, VxWorks, a real-time operating system, was introduced in a wind river systems. In 1992, the embedded system went wireless and nearly 10 million mobile phones was manufactured using embedded systems. In 1996, Microsoft entered the embedded market and designed its handheld personal computers. In 1999, the Linux Foundation started finding its roots into the embedded systems, and in 2000, a second parallel revolution occurred in the embedded systems. In 2005, the multi-dollar companies Intel, IBM, and AMD released their first multi-core processors. Moving on to 2007, the reputed American multinational technological company Apple released its first iPhone mobile, and in 2008, the first Android phone was launched. So in present scenario, about 95% of the electronic chips introduced in a year are for embedded systems. Another one technological breakthrough in current embedded system market is the Wi-Fi connected smart appliances. So in future, one of the most awaited project is the self-driving cars, which is a fully automated car that is a driverless car. So we have seen the evolution of embedded systems. Now we are moving on to the applications. So there are a lot of applications. Few selected applications of embedded systems are smart cards, telecommunications, satellite missiles, digital consumer electronics, computer networking, etc. So embedded systems in automobiles. It is being used in motor control system, voice control system, engine, body safety, robotics, car, multimedia, mobile, and e-com access. In telecommunications, it is being used in mobile computing network, in wireless communications and all, and in smart cards like banking, telephone, security systems. It is also being used in missiles and satellites like in defense, aerospace, and communication. In computer networking and peripherals, the networking systems, image processing, printers, network cards, monitors, and displays. And finally in digital consumer electronics, it is being used in DVDs, set-top boxes, high-definition TVs, and digital cameras. So we had actually, there are a lot of applications of embedded systems, and these are hidden in everyday objects which we see around us every day and use every day. So this concludes our topic, and the task which is assigned to us has been completed. Now it is on your side to read and understand it. So I hope that everyone has got a basic understanding of what embedded system is all about. So that's it. Thank you.